Welcome to Fundamentals of Beauty School. I'm your instructor, Nina, and I've been beautiful since I was conceived. So I made a list. I need everybody to sit down, grab your notes. We're back. School is in session. For today's video, we will be discussing hygiene and grooming, style, personality. But before we do begin, please give me a double tap or give me a thumbs up, whatever platform you're on. This helps me make more videos and reach more people. So did you do that? Okay, let's get beautiful. First things first, I don't want anybody to feel intimidated. There's all different levels of beauty joining this class. Some of you may be MUAs looking to criticize. I'm okay with that. And some of you guys might just be girls who want to know how the baddies are thriving. I'm here for everybody. Hygiene and grooming. Less is more. This also goes for men. If you look clean, literally like you took a shower today and shaved your legs, you're already halfway there. Looking dirty is definitely a point deductor. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you look unkempt, you look like you've been outside camping for 3 months. It's just not giving pretty unless we're going for that camp look, if you get my drift. You guys know that I have an adult industry background, and what I learned is that simple is actually more versatile. Nails, for example, we have a short Michelangelo marble situation going on. My hands are so dry. My eczema's killing me, you guys. This is way more versatile and it's unrecognizable, and that's what we need. This is just like the people that ride down the street in like unicorn pink cars. If I'm in a high-speed chase, everyone's gonna know it's me. Inconspicuous is always better. Nails, toes, and hair. Now feel free to express yourself. This is not like, oh, because I already know someone's gonna be in the comments like, well, I like to wear red nails and long with 50 rhinestones on each nail. So what you saying? You saying I'm not beautiful? No, stop trying to start an argument. What I'm saying is that for the person who doesn't really do upkeep, red long nails is probably going to be a little out of their wheelhouse. This simple, short, and also this lasts longer. I feel like you can get away with not getting your nails done for a month if you have more simple, natural nails. If we want to get even more detailed health-wise, I am allergic to like whatever methacrylate situation is. It's some skin irritant inside of Gel-X. So I used to get Gel-X, but my nails around the skin was breaking out, bruising, everything so bad. The Builder Hard Gel actually lasts longer than acrylic in my opinion. It looks just as good, and it doesn't irritate my skin. So depending on what kind of skin conditions, maybe you have sensitive skin, you may want to look at different nail treatments, but don't give up. I know some people that are like, well, I'm just allergic, so my nails just gotta look crazy. Don't give up. There are some organic companies out there that are available in the nail salon. Your smile and your oral hygiene. Wow. Teeth are a huge indicator of socioeconomic status. If you did not know that, that's why a lot of people get the cheap veneers in Atlanta with veneer techs and stuff, because they want to look like they're of higher socioeconomic status than they actually are. Can you blame them? I'm not saying you got to get cheap veneers, but what I am saying is go to the orthodontist if your teeth are not straight. A smile is often your first impression, and yes, beauty is in the eye of the beholder and yada yada inside, like I said, but humans are superficial creatures. That's the whole point. It's a survival mechanism. So if you smile at me and your teeth have plaque and they're all over the place, I'm immediately scared. My mind says, not safe. But when you smile and your teeth are clean, they're white, they're aligned, they're straight, it says something about your presentation. It says something about the way that you care for yourself. This is why I will never date somebody with a messed up smile. Because if you are willing to jeopardize your first impression, babe, you're willing to jeopardize my entire life. Nope, get your teeth taken care of. Today at 7 a.m., I went to a 30-minute HIIT class. I think that stands for like high intensity interval training. And it was so hard and I was so stinky. I smelled terrible. I never smelled myself like that before. And I thought this hair wasn't gonna last because I sweated it all out. I had to recrimp it, but I felt so good. And the best part is that it was at 7 in the morning for 30 minutes. If you are somebody who hates the gym like I am, oh gosh, either do one of two things. Pick short classes, 30 minutes, because you can handle that. You can manage it. You will feel better. Or pick a hobby that's physical and that you're willing to do often. Mine is archery, although I haven't done it in a minute since I've been back from Bali. I highly advise dancing, yoga, high intensity training, a sport if you're a sporty girl. I also used to figure skate. That is so much fun. If you can get into a figure skating class, your thighs are gonna go crazy. Moving into style. Now this is the interactive part, and I would love to be a part of each one of you guys' glow up journey. You're going to need a Pinterest board for this. So for this assignment, you're gonna do 2 Pinterest boards. The first Pinterest board is going to be what your style aesthetic or style inspiration is. Label that style inspiration. You can follow me on Pinterest, and mine is called Girly Style, and it's all different period pieces. You know, Audrey Hepburn, Gossip Girl, Olivia Pope, people whose style I really want to embody. The next board you're gonna create is hair and makeup. This is totally different than style because your hair and makeup tells a story and it must fit how you feel. Do you like the long bust down middle part look? Do you like an updo? Are you into like the French rolls? Do you prefer to express yourself with no hair or short hair or braided hair? So see how there's a lot of variety and a lot of detail in just the hair and the makeup? This is why you need 2 boards. We're also gonna need a small budget. Whatever you can work with. After putting together your Pinterest board, you're gonna actually go through and identify some classics, classic hair, makeup, and clothing pieces that can be worn over and over again and sustained frequently. So try not to put together an entire Pinterest board of like Marie Antoinette core, knowing you're not gonna throw on a powdered wig every day. It's just not sustainable. I know everybody's money is different, especially in these uncertain times, but if you can allocate even just $100 per category, that'll get you the whole year. Imagine what you can do with $100 of makeup, $100 of hair products, $100 of clothing essentials. And last but not least for this mini masterclass, personality. Because again, when your lips are dry and your hair's not done, all you have is your personality to stand on. And that too must exude beauty, etiquette, and exposure. Act like you've been here before. Act like you deserve to be in these rooms. We can always tell when it's your first time. I know it's okay to be excited, but have a little couth. If you don't travel much, learn to get out more. New experiences make you a more well-rounded person, not only help out with your conversational skills, but your social skills in general. The more you know, the cooler you are. And that's why people think I'm so cool outside of my makeup, because they're like, girl, how many lives have you lived? And I'm like, yeah, 17,000. Also, when you're very well-rounded, you can move through different rooms. You can go to the trap house and the White House. We want a girl or a guy who can do it all. Beautiful people usually possess beautiful characteristics. They're great listeners. They're compassionate. They usually have a certain je ne sais quoi about themselves that you can never take away, even when you try to copy. I want to close out this video by asking you guys, what is your je ne sais quoi? Write it down in your notes and find a way to exude that every day. And with that being said, if you've made it to this point in the video and you do know your je ne sais quoi, comment down below in the comments. I'd love to see it. And of course, if you have any other beauty related questions, please put them down in the comments. This is a beauty masterclass. So I have one more video. Depending on the order in which you watch this, you may want to go back and watch that one, which is a full makeup tutorial and explanation. So you can do your makeup at the same time as me while I explain why you use certain brushes and certain products and go in the order. But that's it, you guys. Welcome to Pretty Beautiful School University Masterclass.